Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mushakal Me. I hope all are doing well, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful summer lace nail art with flowers. It's beautiful for summers, especially because of the colors that I've used here. So let's begin. All the products that I've used will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. It's not necessary that you use the same colors that I have used here. You can use the colors of your choice, whatever you like. For creating the lace-like stripes, I'll be using a thin striping brush and a dotting tool. So let's begin with the nail art. Create stripes from one end of the nail to the other like so. I hope you can understand by just watching it. You need not be perfect, it's okay, it's absolutely fine if you're not perfect. Practice makes man perfect. So you have to create a checkered or a square pattern like so here. So you can see how it is. So create the same on all your nails. Randomly fill in the squares. You don't have to fill all of them, maybe 3 or 4. See, like so. Do this on all your nails. If you have seen, my striping brush is dipped in the nail polish bottle and you can see that color spread all over my brush. It's just a mess sometimes. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Now with the help of a dotting tool, create flowers. I'll be using 4 or 5 dots to create a flower. I'll be using white here because if you have seen my previous nail art tutorial, if a color is very opaque, it won't show up if you directly apply it on your nail. So we use base coat so that the color will pop up. So create 2 or 3 flowers on each nail, or if your nails are long, you might need to create more flowers. Now apply the color of your choice on that white base. I'll be using yellow here because it's very summer-like and it matches very well with the green. You can use any color of your choice. See, if you see the color now, it pops up. You can see the yellow through now. But if you directly apply it on your nail, it won't show through. This is how your nail art will look like. If you feel that there is more space left on your nails, you can create more flowers like I'm doing here. I was looking into darkness. For the center of each flower, I'll be using this glitter flakes from the Loreal glitter polish. If you have separate glitter flakes, you can use them here. Allow your nail art to completely dry before you apply a good top coat. Here I'll be using a golden glitter top coat instead of the normal transparent top coat, because a little shine doesn't hurt anyone. And there you have it, a quick and easy summer nail art with a pop of color. And here for the left hand I have applied a yellow color, and this is how your nail art will look like. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Do comment, like and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me, and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.